I welcome you all with my love and respects. From today, I'll get back to Bhagavad Gita Satsang. Dravyayagnaha tapoyagnya yogayagnaha tatapare swadhyaya jnanayagnyascha yatayaha samshita vrataha. Please understand, either you can have wealth as a goal through spirituality, or spirituality, conscious expansion as the goal through wealth. Both are possible. In our own organization, I don't disrespect wealth for our own devotees. I am not the teacher of poverty. I am not poverty guru, no. And same way, I am not materialistic. Poverty is sex perversion. Please understand. I am making a very powerful statement. Poverty is sex perversion. Poverty in your body. Poverty in the things you need around you is sex perversion. When you have a deep perversion in your being, the sexual perversion, your energy flow does not happen smoothly. That perversion lands you in the pattern of poverty. That perversion leads to confusion and all other restlessness. With that restlessness and confusion, you don't think creatively and you don't create wealth. So be very clear. Poverty is sex perversion. I am not promoter of poverty. I am not promoter of poverty. And I am not promoter of materialism. No. The end of the day, when you sit and calculate the result of your existence of last one day. See, every night when you sit and think, what is the essence, result of my existence of this whole day? Whatever I did, what is the essence? What have I achieved? What should be the counting factor of my profit? End of the day, if you think, wow, consciously I have expanded. Now I am free from these patterns. I can be beyond these restrictive patterns. If this is your goal, if this is the calculation with which you function, accumulating wealth is right. Whole day you may be working and creating wealth in your office, but end of the day, when you sit and think about yourself, yes, I did this actions. As a side effect, wealth came. But my main effect, I have broken all these patterns. Now I am free from all these samskaras. Now I can expand, work more consciously. I can function out of more freedom. I can function out of more free space. If you are established in this, if your thought flow reaches this end, accumulating wealth is not a crime. We welcome it. This is exactly the method I wanted you all to function. Spiritual goal is life. Side effect may be wealth. But unfortunately for many people, wealth becomes the main goal. not even as the side effect, spirituality is there. When wealth becomes the main goal, even as a side effect, spirituality will never be there. So each of this line by Sri Krishna, Dravyayanya, Tapoyanya, Yogayanya, Tatapare, Swadhyaya, Jnanayanyascha, Yatayas Samshita Vrataha. Each of this line, I need to elaborately comment. I bless you all who are sitting with us around the world in hundreds of places through Nityananda TV and 16 places two-way video conferencing in 156 cities in 13 countries. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.